And here we go, ladies and gentlemen, it's game time! Attempting a two, no good, the rebound Boss GK. Boss GK sizing up, attempting a two, no good.
Got it.
Here we go, Team Doggy, pushing it through, and it's a tough play. It's a foul.
Pinilit kasi, sinisili niya doon.
Pushing it through for Team Doggy. What a spin move!
Dito, libre.
Great shot, no good.
Grabe na person.
And it's out of bounds, and it will stay with Team Doggy. Team Doggy.
Libre to, libre.
Empty the two.
No good.
No good. Bojige for the rebound. Bojige pushing it through the paint. No good.
Ito.
For Team Doggy attempting a two.
No good.
Still no good.
8 minutes and 54 seconds there.
And I think the ring has a lock. Team Ship still no good.
Pakitanggal yung harang sa ring. Parang meron eh.
Pushing it through for
No
Team
good pa rin.
Ship. Team Doggy, here we go. No good.
This is a long drought na.
Still no points for Team Doggy and Team Ship. Team Doggy pushing it through. No good.
Another one.
And still rebound. And it's a foul. I think we've got to walk to ring right now. Wala pa pong mga score.
Tutugo. 8 minutes 21-0-0. Is it the defense or medyo malas pa sila?
Mukhang medyo malas lang ang ating mga teams.
I think makascore.
Mukhang kailangan nating himasin ang ating bola ngayon. And
Finally!
now, the curse is off. And now we have Team Doggy on the rebound. Team Doggy is going to play. Patricio having the ball. Going inside, pushing it through. Make it up. And it's good. 1 point for Patricio.
Napadila pa si Patricio.
Team Doggy. Patricio. Having the ball for Team Doggy. Patricio having the ball going inside. Mid-range jumper. No good.
Medyo wala sa
Aldous.
Stepping on the line.
Patricio on the board for Team Doggy.
Poste.
Doggy. Wow, what a move! But still no good.
Everything but no shot.
Aldous having the ball for Team Chip.
The short shot.
Pushing it through. Going inside. No good.
Ito wala talaga.
Patricio having the ball.
Ito, libre na. Good time. Wala pa rin.
Pushing Doggy. And it's good for Team Doggy. 1 point for Team Doggy.
Second chance, brother.
Setting up the play, pushing it through. Mid-range jumper. 1 point for Team Chip.
Finally a shot. A field goal made for
Patricio attempting the two. No good. Rebound, Boss Doggy. Steal by Aldous.
Nagawa.
Aldous, his teammate. And it's still 2 point for Team Chip.
And tapla na to, tapla
Boss
na.
Doggy. No good. Pinhill.
Foul.
Foul.
That foul is brought to you by Philippines. And of course, Gatorade, the official drink of Motivated 3x3 basketball.
Pinhill on the line for a chance of 1 point.
Riolo.
Pinhill.
Malalim.
And it's good.
Gets that one in.
1 point for Team Doggy. 2-point attempt. Okay. Patricio hunting the ball. Pinhill, steal by Aldous. Osige. Pushing it through the paint. Finally, Osige, no good.
asking for substitution.
And it's a traveling violation.
Traveling.
Traveling violation because the ball is good.
Maslogi, pumasok na si Maslogi. Ito na.
Travel violation.
Naka-anti-flash na
Ball
ball.
will go to Team Shield. Boss Jomar Lovera to Boss TJ. Boss TJ for two. Let's go. Boss TJ for two. Team Shield. 2 point.
Swak na swak yan, brother. Swak na swak. Ito.
MCT.
Ang ganda ng
MCT
laro nito ng first
for
game.
two. And it's good for Team Zombie.
Na-carry din ang
Alus
isang laro.
finding Boss TJ. Boss TJ for two. And it's good for Boss TJ. MCT for two.
Palitan na laro.
Alternate 2 points.
Palitan. Gonna try
Boss
again.
TJ for two.
Oy, okay.
Bosingay pushing it through. Spin move.
Oh.
And swatted by MCD Hoops.
Good defense yung brother.
And so by Lovera pushing it through.
No pass.
Shot clock violation. And ladies and gentlemen, this is a battle of the best high scorer of season 1 and season 2, Bosingay and MCD Hoops.
Good defense on. Ito na, Doggy.
Go, Boss Doggy setting up the play. Setting up the play. Pushing the two.
Solid
Lock violation.
violation. Saka nasa ilalim, brother.
Shot clock violation. Bosingay 2-point attempt. That's good for Bosingay. 2-point, third 2-point for Bosingay. Boss Doggy setting up the play inside. And it's a foul. It's a holding foul. It's a holding foul for Boss Doggy. MCD Hoops, hesitation on the field. Boss Doggy setting up the play, looking on the shot clock. Boss Doggy challenging Boss Dogs, passing to MCD Hoops. MCD Hoops, hesitation, and the shot clock violation.
By the way, just reminder po, dire-diretso po ang ating laro. So, kinakahanda po natin.
Boss Dogs in the steal. Boss Dogs inside the paint.
Kaizen and Easy Jersey next ha, FYI. Boss Dog, yung
Boss Dogs, wala! Layup by Boss Dogs.
Easy Jersey.
1 point by Boss Dogs. Boss Doggy setting
Outside.
up, pulling a two.
Ganda na naman,
No
Russell.
good.
Tinuwa. MCT.
MCD, 2
Good
point.
line.
Hey! Lilinis ang ring. Aldous going inside, still by MCD. MCD for two.
Same spot, not the
No.
same result. But rebound, and there's a foul.
There's a foul. Wow, what an intense game for Team Chief and Team Doggy. And it's a timeout. Timeout for Team Shield.
That timeout is brought to you by Secret Fresh on Beam Express, Eurotex Home and Toys, and Plain Sport PH Sportswear. Again, guys, let me remind sa ating next game, Kaizen and Easy Jersey. There will be no breaks. There will be no breaks, so get ready, Kaizen and Team Easy Jersey. And then Imprint versus Bakuto, Asian QT versus T-Cash.
And let me just remind everyone that we are here at the motivated 3x3 Season 2, Day 2 at SM City, Rosario, Cavite. And right now, we are the battle on Team Shelf and Team Doggy. And we'd just like to remind everyone that we have booths outside for everyone to enjoy. We have merchandises.
MCT. By the way, habang
1 point for MCT. For Bossing Jovan going inside, laying it up. No good, MCT finding his teammate. To Boss Dogs, pulling it Bossing Jomar, finding Boss Ligue, setting up the play, going inside. Challenged by MCT Hoops. Bossing TK going inside, laying it up. And it's good!
Ang ganda naman nun. Very smooth.
Ibang klase. Bossing TK dancing on the floor.
This will make this a one-point ball game if
Bossing TK, 1 point chance on the line. And skip. 1 point, original for Team Jeff. MCT, 4-2. No good. Boss Dogs. Back to the paint. Shoot. Okay, 1 point, 2 on 3 shot. Bossing Jomar for 2. It's good for Bossing Jomar. Patricio, finding MCT for 2. No good. Rebound MCT. And they were looking at the ball. Bossing jogging. Boss Dogs, 2 point attempt. No good. Finding Alves to Bostique. Bostique Sileta for 3. No good.
May fatigue
Rebound by
factor
Boss
na.
Dogs.
Fatigue factor 13 on right away.
Boss Dogs. Spin move.
Wala.
No foul. 2 Bossing Jomar. 2 point. No good. Rebound Aldous. Aldous. No good. Rebound Bossing Doggy. Bossing Doggy. Setting up the play. Sabi ang relax na muna guys. Here we go for MCT.
Libre!
Shot and steal for MCT. Bossing Dogs for MCT. Connection. And steal by Bossing Jomar. Jomar Lorena to Bosike. Bosike setting up the play. Ito may natin. And it's good.
And it's a tie.
Bossing Doggy setting up the play. Sizing up the enemy. Bossing through. Steal by Aldous. To Bosike. Bosike. And an easy 1 point.
For the lead.
MCT finding Stephen. Pass to MCT again and a layup. MCT. Wow, what an easy layup for MCT. Bossing Jomar. Sizing up the enemy. Pass to Bosike. Bosike 2 point. No good.
Wala yan.
Okay, Team Doggy.
16
Patricio
all,
handling the ball. Goes to Bossing Doggy. Boss Dogs. Boss Dogs spin move. No good. Back to Patricio. Patricio.
There's a foul. MCT, MCT. MCT, shootings mo bro. Shootings. It's 57.36 seconds. There's a timeout brought to you by Louisville 3-3 Basketball. 16 all.
And for the record, we have 12 points for Boss GK and 10 points for MCT Hoops.
Parang meron na tayong ano, no? Meron
Wow.
tayong mga leading players. By the way, habang timeout, gusto ko lang i-shout out si Coach Anzay. Coach Anzay, shout out sa iyo dyan kung saan ka man naroon. At syempre, shout out din dyan sa ANJ Trading, kay Ma'am ANJ Tulao and TMC Sportswear. Salamat. Thank you for tuning in. ANJ Trading. Motivated 3-8 basketball season number 2, day 2. Eh, mamaya marami pa tayo. Meron pa tayong mga 1-on-1. 16 all, less than a minute. Here we go. MCT for the deuce. No good.
No good.
Yes, inside.
Boss Doggy. Doggy.
Right there, wala po. There's a foul call. Okay, we'd like to also invite lahat po ng mga audience dito. Meron po tayong booths na labas ng ating mga sponsors. Please check them out. May pagkain dyan, may mga t-shirt, at siyempre mga influencer merchandise. Motivated 3x3.
Bossing GK, 1 point for Bossing GK. MCT Hoops, MCT Hoops. Going inside the paint.
Oh!
What a move!
Nagkape sa ere, brother. Nagkape.
Grabe yung move ni MCT Hoops.
MCT Hoops. Area boy.
And it's a tie ball game with 90 seconds on the timer.
Winning a
As he
one-on-one.
goes back inside.
Oy, tinapitan.
Foul.
Tinapitan ni Bad.
Foul with our team chef.
Tinapitan.
And this is a crucial battle between Doggy and Team Chip. They have the same high scorer in season 1 and season 2 of the motivated EXP. Grabe to.
Crucial play number 50 seconds.
One minute to go. Now, Team Doggy is leading with 1 point.
That was not a wise foul. Kasi dalawa to, 15 seconds. Now they're gonna have to be forced to take the two.
MCT Hoops. And another one for MCT Hoops.
Almost automatic ending NCT Hoops.
Boss DK attempting
Two
to.
point. That's good! That is good.
Boss
5
DK,
seconds.
another two. MCT Hoops.
For the win.
Boss Donkey.
Pinasa. For the win.
And the shot from
19 all.
is off. Wow. We will have an
Okay. So, let me remind that the rules, ulitin ko po, ang rules po ng overtime natin, first 2 points. First 2 points. First 2 points po, first 2 points. No time left. Whoever gets first 2 points. Shot lang meron po.
power and again for Team Doggy and Team Chip. All first two points will win the game. With the leaders of Team pushing into the paint. Hesitation. MCT Hoops at the team. 2 points for Team Chip. And they move forward with the battle with Team Doggy. Grabe po.
Let's go!
Ang naging 2 points ngayon. Ibang klase.
Sige pala, he tied his season high 15 points in the first season at parang ina-identify pa natin kung sino ang ating best player of the game.
Wow! Oh, wow!
Wow. Mamaya
What?
mapapawaw ka rin yung
Let's
ating-
go! Ayos na po, interview. Isa pa, let's go! Let's go!
Ibang klase yun. 2 times nag-tie ball game. 17 all and then naging 19 all. And then after that, binigyan ng dagger ng Team Chef ang Team Doggy with that wonderful shot of 2 points right from downtown.
Grabe ba? I think ready na yung ating courtside reporters, Eli Austria, for our interview with our best player of the game, GK. Take it away, Eli.
Grabe yung laro yun, no? Sobrang tight na tight. At anong feeling mo ngayon na kayo yung nanalo?
Bukod sa nanalo kami na. Nanalo kami. Kasi natulungan kami. Sabi ko kailangan manalo. Kasi kung hindi kami nanalo, win kami. Kaya lang kami.
Thank you so much. At congratulations, syempre. At ano pa nakapag-motivate sa'yo ngayong araw para panalo yung game mo?
Kaya kung kaya ako ng game ko. Kaya lang kasi game ko.
Thank you.
And now, grabe yung ating for the next game. Ibang klaseng intensity na binigay ng ating Team Doggy and Team Chef.
Just
And
take a look at the
congratulations
game highlight,
to Team Chef with that ultimate
Triple sa mukha ko ah.